So if you're looking to add a live subscriber counter onto your OBS stream, the process is actually very simple. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and let's put a subscriber count on your stream. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up OBS, of course. All right. Now I'm going to just create a new scene here. So I'm going to call it USB. Why USB? Sub count. And right now this is completely empty. What you have to do is head back down to the sources window, click on this plus icon, and we are going to add a browser source. We're going to create a new browser source, so I'm going to call it sub counter and click on OK. Now what we have to do is get a URL for our browser source. That is actually very easy. So we're just opening up YouTube Studio. Alright, so once your YouTube Studio channel dashboard loads up, what we are going to do is head over to Analytics. Alright, so in this window, under your real-time stats, you will see your subscriber count and a see live count button. Click on that and you'll see this web page. All that you have to do is just copy this web page's URL. So not this, yeah. Copy the web page's URL and close the browser. You don't need it anymore. And copy paste the URL right here, which is not copy pasting, so I'll post it through my but anyways, that's it. So for the width and the height, I'm just going with the my canvas resolution or my monitor's resolution, which you see on the back right here. And we are going to use custom CSS to spice up the look of the subscriber counter, but for now we'll just leave it unchecked. You will see this window sign pop up. So what you're going to have to do is log in with your YouTube account credentials, and to do that, just press interact and you'll be able to type in and press buttons in here. So let me go ahead and quickly type in some credentials. And once the verification is complete and you've logged in, you should see this page show up. Now you can go ahead and click quit, and if I zoom out, you'll see that that's it. Now we have the real-time updating page in here. So we can hold down left alt and crop this so that it shows only the number that we're looking for. And yeah, that's it. So you can, if you wanted to, incorporate this into your stream right here wherever you want. And since this is a live page counter straight from YouTube, you don't have to worry about anything else. But what do you want to do if you want to remove this background and make customizations to this? Well, for that, you're going to have to use some custom CSS like we talked about earlier. There are two CSS scripts in the description below. One is if you're using dark mode in your browser, and one is if you're using light mode. So since I'm using dark mode, what I'm going to do is just copy paste the CSS, come back to OBS, click on this properties button, and in here, the custom CSS, I'm going to replace this with what I just changed. Now, this is the text color and the background color. So background color, you can let it be green, or if you want to change it, that's up to you, because we are adding another chroma key filter to remove the background completely later. So if you want to remove the background, let it be green. Otherwise, you can change it to whatever you want. And then of course, you can change the text color to whatever you want as well. Click OK. And yeah, so this now has a white green background color. Great. Now head back and click on filters. Under effect filters, click the plus icon and go to chroma key. You can choose any name you want. I'm just gonna let it be, and this should automatically be on green. And as you can see, if I move this window around, the background is gone. So we're just going to go ahead and close this window, and now you're good to go. And now you can incorporate this number, you can scale it, you can place it however you want, and you can use this live subscribe counters in your streams. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if we helped you out. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.